Hello, my name is Scott Stanley and I work in marketing at the Lincoln Electric Company. I'm here today with Al Nystrom and we're here to talk to you about the latest from Lincoln Electric, the Dual Maverick 450 diesel engine driven welder.
This welder has some exciting new features to save you money and lower noise, anywhere from the construction site to the pipeline or the rental fleet.
The first thing you'll notice about the Dual Maverick 450 is that it's very quiet compared to other diesel engine driven welders.
One way to show you how quiet it is to open the service door. The Dual Maverick's case is designed to keep noise to a minimum.
The Dual Maverick 450 will change its RPM depending on the welding output required.
With the auto start stop feature, the Dual Maverick will shut down after a predetermined period without welding, anywhere between 10 minutes to 2 hours. To restart the machine, all you need to do is simply touch the electrode to the workpiece. And when we say dual, we mean two welders at the same time.